Welcome back viewers. So today we have the Mokacam with us. So as you can see, this is 372 Singapore dollars. I got it from the Changi Singapore airport. So before going ahead, let me just tell you that this is going to be a complete unboxing video. It's going to be long. So if you're looking for a test video or the review, that's going to be coming up in my next video. So stay tuned for that. But this is going to be a complete unboxing video. So let's get started. Cutting and peeling off the cover on this one, we have this creative box, an arrow shaped design. I really liked it. So opening up this, we get a box inside. So inside this, first off, we get the camera itself. So this is the Mokacam. It's known to be the world's smallest compact 4K action camera. So taking the camera off the box, we also get this remote control which is Bluetooth enabled. It's like a keychain. It has a power on button and a button for shutter and recording. So let's keep this aside and look into it, what all we get inside. So first off, again, we get these accessories. This is the waterproof case which we get in most of the action cameras. So it has this button to pull out and put the camera inside. And this is a plug on for adding more accessories. And then this is the screen module. So this is something innovative they have added into this. So it has its own battery and this connects with the USB Type-C port. It has its own buttons and we'll look more into it later. So next off we can see the battery module here. So this is another cool accessory they have included in this design. So this is nothing but an extra battery pack for your camera. So let's say you're out of battery on the main module, so you can just snap this onto your camera. It has a powerful magnet and this will add as an extra battery life to your camera. And this one here is the waterproof case. In case you're adding the extra battery module, you'll have to swap this cover with the waterproof case. And last but not the least, you have the power cable. This is the normal mini USB type cable for charging your camera or your screen module, etc. So this is a pretty good cable, nice quality, and it's long enough also. So let me just put all this aside and let's have a look at all the accessories and the camera at once. So first off, let me just peel off this lens protector. So I got this removed. So here we have the Mokacam. So this is said to be the world's most compact 4K action camera. So let's just look into this. So this is a magnet, and then on the top you can see a button which is for shutter and clicking the videos. So this is a screw which can be put into this for adding extra accessories. Basically, for if you have some GoPro accessories, you can attach it using this. And you can see some ports here which is for the HDMI and for the screen module, which is a Type-C port. And then on the other side you have some ports for charging the camera and also the memory card. So here you have the memory card slot, and then also you have a settings button which activates the Wi-Fi basically for connecting it to your phone. And then you have this extra battery module which adds some extra juice to your camera. So you can charge it with your normal mini USB cable, and then just put it close to it and snaps onto your camera and gives some extra battery life. So this is a cool feature by the Mokacam. And then you have the screen module which has its own battery, and you can charge it with your mini USB again, and it has got a shutter button and some extra buttons for the settings and all stuff. So it sits into your camera with the Type-C port and adds on as an extra, actually the main screen module. So it's an external screen module. So this is again a cool feature which basically keeps the camera compact and you have the screen separately. So next off, let's look at the Bluetooth remote. So this looks like a keychain design. It has a switch to turn it on and off, and then it has a button which acts as a shutter button so that you can remotely access your camera, and it runs on a button size 3.5 volt battery. So this basically helps you to control your camera remotely. So let's say you put it on a tripod, you can just control it with your hand from a distance. And then you have the waterproof case that you receive with most of the action cameras, that is to take your footage underwater. So now let's get started by turning on the camera and let's see what all features and settings we have in this. So for that you have to just long press this shutter button, which will turn on the camera. So now the camera is on and you can see the live preview on the screen. So this is the layout of the camera. You can see some settings on the left top and the battery indicator on the right top and the time and duration on the bottom. So let's go into the settings and see what all can be modified. So you have this wheel kind of button here which helps you scroll through the options. So these are all the options that you get in it for setting the resolution, the video quality, and some other features. So if you go into the video resolutions, you can see all these type of resolutions. So the wide angle, the super view, and all stuff. So you can just scroll through and select any resolution you want. So apart from all that, what really makes this camera stand out is the selfie mode. So you can basically twist the screen module here. Okay, let me just remove this extra battery pack and show you clearly. So basically you can twist the screen in 180, 0 to 180 degrees, so as per your need, and you can basically use it as a vlogging video camera, which is really a cool feature which no other action cam provides, basically because the screen is fixed on the back in most of the action cams, so you cannot see a preview when you're doing a selfie vlogging. So this camera solves that issue by using this external screen module, so you can basically record in any angle, 0 to 180. So that is a really cool feature with this. So lastly, I would like to show you the waterproof case here that you receive with the Mokacam. So this is like any other waterproof case that you receive. You just got to insert your camera in this and then close it and just lock the seal here. So that gives you a waterproof advantage and you can take underwater footage. So in the next video I'll be showing you the demo or the sample videos for all of this, so stay tuned. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.